Viofo WM1 2K 1440p Smart Dash Camera. Upgrade your car game with Viofo WM1, the dash cam with an English accent, James Bond style. Control settings, watch epic road moments via Wi-Fi GPS. It's your car's social media guru. Crystal clear recordings with a Sony Starvis sensor and 135-degree lens. Your road movie got an upgrade. Parking modes, options galore, auto event detection, buffered parking, time lapse, lenses ready for action. Compact design, no view obstruction. Make the front lens do a 60-degree dance. Viofo WM1, because your car deserves tech swagger. Kimblade Carbon Fit Rectangular Windshield Wiper. Rev up, road warriors. Say hello to Kimblade Carbon Fit, the superhero your windshield never knew it needed. Kimblade's got more adapters than a tech store. It's like a wiper that moonlights as a matchmaker, fitting into every wiper arm like Cinderella's slipper, and the sleek carbon fiber style frame. It's not just for looks, it's the James Bond of wipers, gripping your windshield even at warp speeds. Plus, introducing the square blade rear wiper, your rear view's Hollywood makeover. But wait, there's more. Kimblade's windshield cleaner and treatment, it's like a spa day for your car. It's not just maintenance, it's a glass pampering session. ShockFlo G140, a portable J1772 Level 2 EV charger. Charge up the fun with ShockFlo G140A, the superhero of EV chargers. Why settle for one when you can have two? It's a portable charger and a wall charger, versatile like a Swiss Army knife for your car. Zoom into the future with level 2 charging, a whopping 36 miles per hour. Dust-proof, impact-resistant, and waterproof. It's the Chuck Norris of chargers. Smart features? It's practically a genius. Set it to charge when electricity is cheaper than a fast food meal. LCD screen, your car's own superhero display, voltage, charging speed, time. It's like a car carnival, safe, powerful, and customizable. ShockFlo G140A, because your car deserves the VIP charging treatment. Air Cruiser Lightweight RTT. Experience camping freedom with the Air Cruiser Lightweight RTT. Compatible with almost any car, this rooftop tent is a game changer. Self-assembling magic, skip the hassle of poles. It sets up effortlessly at the push of a button. Feather light travel. Enjoy spacious comfort without compromising your vehicle's speed or fuel efficiency. Room to roam. With 57 inches of headspace, stretch out and relax with unrestricted comfort. Universal compatibility. Easy installation on 99% of vehicles in under 5 minutes. Just add crossbars. Elevate your camping game with this rooftop companion. BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Revolutionize your ride with the BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit, the superhero of car gadgets. This kit is like having a car butler on wheels. It's got a wireless car vacuum cleaner, a phone charger, an inflator pump, a high-pressure car wash gun, and even portable lighting, all in one sleek package. It's not just multitasking, it's a car juggling act. Cleaning, inflating, washing. These tools do it all, making car chores a breeze. Built to survive the car apocalypse. With premium materials, this kit is your car's invincible sidekick for all its maintenance needs. But wait, there's more. It's not just for cars. It's your go-to for camping, outdoor fun, or anytime you need a portable light. The Smart Car Kit, because your car deserves more than just a spa day. Boosted Safe Backseat Car Safe Locks. Never stress about your gear again with the Boosted Safe Backseat Car Safe. Imagine your belongings having a VIP seat in your car, protected by 15 pounds of solid steel. This safe disguises itself as a booster seat, making it the James Bond of car safes. With a gunmetal exterior, that's sleeker than a spy movie. It not only looks cool, but can handle the force of a car crash. It's like having a bodyguard for your valuables. Plus, the 3-digit lock ensures that only you hold the secret code. Universal ISOFIX latch tech means it's like Fort Knox from the inside. So go ahead, leave your laptop, camera, or secret spy documents behind. Boosted Safe has got it covered. Jump into action with the Revenant B Smart Car Jumpstarter, your car's battery BFF. In a world of dead batteries, it revives yours in just 1 minute. Superhero speed, no cape required. But it's not just a jump starter, it's a battery psychic, preventing discharge with alerts. An algorithm-based mood booster for your battery, with an app that's like a Fitbit for your car. Cooler though. Meet the dynamic duo, battery and module, the Batman and Robin for your car's power. Revenant B, not just a jump starter, but the VP pass to your car's power party. Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner. Meet the Innova 5610, your car's Sherlock Holmes. Enhanced data stream spills the tea on ABS, SRS, and more. Special functions, one button, and your car's dancing. Bidirectional tests, your car takes a bow. Repair Solutions 2 app, it's your car psychic in your pocket. Free updates, no drama. Innova's got your back because your car deserves a detective, not just a mechanic. WeBoost Drive Sleek Car Signal Booster. Fed up with your phone playing hide and seek with signals on road trips? Enter the WeBoost Drive Sleek, the superhero for your connectivity dilemmas. Wave goodbye to dropped calls in the middle of nowhere. This booster keeps you connected, even in the land of no signal. Compatible with all carriers and 5G tech, it's like Wi-Fi on wheels. Plus, it's not just a booster, it's a multitasking maestro. Charge your phone on the go and fit any device with its adjustable cradle. Stay connected, stay entertained. Because who said road trips can't have a solid signal soundtrack? BLUPOND Night Vision Glasses. Upgrade your night driving game with BLUPOND Night Vision Glasses. Imagine slipping on these sleek, lightweight specs, your new road superhero cape. At just 26 grams, they're practically weightless, giving you the confidence to conquer the night. The secret? A yellow-tinted anti-glare lens that turns blinding headlights into a soft glow. No more headaches, no more squinting, just smooth, relaxed driving. Get ready for HD clarity on the road. Fruble Complete Tesla Camper Kit. Unleash the explorer in you with the Fruble Complete Tesla Camper Kit, meticulously crafted in beautiful British Columbia. This isn't just a camper, it's a game changer for your Tesla Model Y. With 31 precision-cut pieces, choose between an induction or gas cooktop for your culinary adventures. Need extra storage? No problem. Maintain access to your sub-trunk for added convenience. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just stop at camping. Need to transport passengers? Its minimal design ensures you can still accommodate your travel buddies. Sleep flat, cook up a storm, and store all your adventure essentials. The Fruble Camper Kit is your all-in-one solution for on-the-go living. Your next adventure awaits. WOLFBOX G900 4K front 2.5K rear mirror dash cam. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G900 touchscreen dash cam. Capture the road in film-level 4K quality with the front camera and enjoy a crystal clear 2.5K rear view. The 12-inch smart touchscreen offers superior visibility, and its special supercapacitor ensures fast charging and extreme weather resistance. Drive with confidence. Every detail in focus, every moment captured. WOLFBOX G900, because your journey deserves nothing but the best. Meet TRACGRABBER, your escape plan from nature's sticky situations. Tow trucks? Just slap on these bad boys and voila, DIY rescue mission. Your slipping tires will thank you as they break free from the clutches of mud, ice, and sand drama. Winter weather got you down, TRACGRABBER's got your back. Say goodbye to the stranded blues. TRACGRABBER's here to turn your tires into action heroes.